Hi and good day, grade 10. Hi and good day, grade 10 learners. So welcome to our first video lesson. So we are going to have this question. Okay, so maoni ang given, maoni ang question. X cubed, positive 12, positive 6x squared, positive 13x divided by x plus 3. So for our dividend, we have 4 terms and our divisor 2 terms. So we can write it in this form. Now, first thing we need to do is to inspect the given. Ask yourselves, nagsunod ba in descending order ang exponents sa mga terms sa dividend? So tanawin mo ang dividend. Ang first term, ang exponent kay 3. Ang second term, constant man siya. So, the exponent is 0. And then sa third term, it's positive 6x squared. And for the fourth term, we have positive 13x. So, first term, exponent 3. Second term, 0. Third term, exponent 2. Fourth term, exponent 1. Yes, wala nagsunod in descending order ang mga exponents sa mga terms. So, unsa itong buhaton? Correct. So, step number 1, arrange the terms of the dividend and divisor in descending order or descending power of x. Okay. So, ang saktong order for the dividend, ang first term, x cubed. 3 man ang exponent. And the second term is positive 6x squared kay 2 man ang exponent ani nga term. And then, third term kay positive 13x. Yes, ang exponent kay 1. And the last term is positive 12. Ang exponent kay 0. So, descending order na ang exponents. 3, 2, 1, 0. Nga diri, sa divisor, ang exponent kay 1, and then 3 ang exponent kay 0. Always remember, class, we divide 1 at a time. So, unsa man ang atong unang division statement? So, i-encircle nato ang first term sa dividend. So, ang first term sa dividend kay x cubed. And then, sa divisor, ang first term sa divisor kay x. Okay. So, mao ni ang atong unang division statement. X cubed divided by x. So again, after arranging, we divide. Yes, first term of dividend x cubed divided by first term of the divisor. So dili na ito pakyawon ang pag-divide. 1 at a time lang jud. So divide x cubed by x. So we write it this way sa scratch pad. Okay. Unsa man ang law of exponent nga atong gamiton next? Yes, it's quotient rule. So, unsa man ang buhaton sa exponents sa dividend and divisor? Subtract the exponents or add the exponents? Yes, so kung divide gani class, subtract the exponent. Alright, so in dividing, copy the common base x and subtract the exponents. Sa dividend, ang exponent kay 3. Sa divisor, invisible man, automatically it's 1. So, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, again, copy the common base x and then subtract the exponents. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, always remember, after dividing, multiply. So, please visualize the long division of numbers. Pag human og divide, mag-multiply next. So, unsa man ang atong multiplication sentence? Okay, so sa pag-multiply, multiply the answer of the division or the quotient times the entire divisor. So, we say x squared times x plus 3. So, at your scratch pad again, no, sa scratch paper. Unsaon man nato ang monomial x squared. So, naatay monomial x squared, unya na atay binomial. Unsa nga natong buhaton sa monomial x squared? It starts with letter D. Yes, we distribute the monomial x squared sa each term sa atong binomial divisor. So we say x squared times x plus x squared times 3. Right, so in multiplying x squared times x, we notice that we have a common base. So, we copy the common base x and then add the exponents. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. In multiplying the variable factor x squared times the number positive 3, so we have a variable factor x squared. So, letter na siya nga na exponent and a number. So, kung mao gani ang question or mao ang given, ato lang itapad ang variable factor ug ang number. Unya, isuwat ang number 3 una. So, itapad ning duha ka factors. So, wala na'y parenthesis. So, isuwat lang ang number una. Unya, tapara nato sa variable factor. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So, x squared times positive 3 is equal to 3x squared. Oh, so, pwede na nga walay parenthesis. Again, x squared times 3 is equal to 3x squared. Asa man ibutang ang binomial product nga x cubed positive 3x squared. Asa man na ibutang? So, balik ta sa atong main solution. Dire. So, asa man na siya ibutang? Okay? Yes, sa ubos sa first two terms sa dividend. Kay duhaman ka terms ang product, so i-align sa first two terms. Right. So, sa pag-align sa product sa first two terms sa divisor, i-make sure nato nga ang first column like terms, unya ang second column like terms pod. Tawa na to pagkahibaw kung like terms. So, ang like terms, guys, tanaw na nimo ang variable factor. I-inspect na to kung ang variable factor na abay the same variable or letter and then the same pod ang exponent. So, check the first column. Yes, so the same ang variable or letter, x. And then, the same po ang exponents. Parihas sila na ay 3 nga exponent. Now, check the second column. Ayaw lang kalibo kung ang number factor dili pariha. Ari rata magtanaw sa variable factor para mahibawan kung like terms. Okay. Now, check the letters. The variables, the same? Yes. So, the same ang variable or letter x. And then, inspect the exponents. Pariha ba sila og exponent? Pariho ba ang exponent? Yes. We have a common exponent of 2. Okay, so again, like terms, ang duha ka terms, kung the same ang variable or letter, and the same ang exponents. Okay, so let's add the first column. Okay, so in the first column, we have invisible number. So, sa first column na atay x cubed minus x cubed. So, wala tayo nakita nga number factor. Automatically, 1 na siya. So, in adding like terms, mauni ang step. Una, add the numerical coefficient. So, again, wala may number factor. So, automatically, 1 siya. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. And then, copy the variable coefficient or the variable factor, x cubed. Okay? So, again, x cubed minus x cubed is equal to 1x cubed minus 1x cubed. And then, add the numerical coefficient, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And then, copy the variable coefficient x cubed. Unya, we all know that any variable factor multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So, x cube minus x cube, makancel out na siya. 0 na siya, ha? So, tanawa, pariha ang first term o second term. Imong gi-minus ang duha ka pareho nga term. So, 0 gid na siya. No? So, makancel out. At your scratch pad, second column, so we have positive 6x squared, negative 3x squared. Are we adding like sign terms or unlike sign terms? Okay, so let's do the first step. Add the numerical coefficients or the numerical factors. So, ang number part diri kay positive 6. Ang number part diri kay negative 3. So, i-add ang number part. So, positive 6, negative 3 is equal to, so we have positive 6, negative 3. Are we adding like sign terms? Pareha ba sila og sign or dili? Dili. Ang usa positive, usa negative. So, we are adding unlike sign terms or unlike sign constant. Again, nga naman, kay ang 6 positive, niya ang 3 negative. Dili pareha ang sign. Unsa ang atong buhaton sa ilang numbers? Yes, atong isubtract ang number 6 o ang number 3, being the absolute values. So, 6 minus 3 is 3. Unsa man ang sakto nga sign sa 3? Yes, it's positive 3. Nga naman, kay we copy the sign of the bigger number 6. Unsa ang sign sa bigger number 6? Positive. Okay, so ini kahuman og subtract sa numbers, kapihon ang sign sa bigger number 6. And then, copy the variable factor x squared. Again, positive 6x squared, negative 3x squared. First step, add the number part. So, positive 6, negative 3 is equal to 3. And then, copy the variable part, x squared. Okay, so balik ta sa atong main solution. So, x cubed minus x cubed is 0. Positive 6x squared, negative 3x squared is equal to positive 3x squared. After subtraction, what are we going to do? Yes, we're going to bring down the next term. So, the next term is the third term. So, bring down the third term of the dividend, which is 13x. So, we now have the new dividend, 3x squared positive 13x. And then we repeat the process. We go back to divide. So please watch the second video as a continuation for this solution. And we can practice together the cycle of dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bringing down. So magbalik-balik ra gyud na siya. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down.